I'm Robbie and this is my kitchen. Today we're gonna make some ricotta and spinach polpette and we're gonna drink a glass of Cabernet. The ingredients are 2 bags of frozen chopped spinach, 1.5 cup ricotta cheese, 1 cup grated Parmigiano, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon ground pepper, 1 teaspoon nutmeg. Guys, have a pan full of water, and when the water boils, put some salt, and then we're gonna put the 2 bags of frozen spinach already chopped. Sorry, excuse me my language. Amy's laughing at me. Amy's my producer, is my everything here, and she's laughing at my bad English. Now we're just gonna let them cook for 5 minutes. Let's mix our ingredient: olive oil, salt, garlic powder, paprika, nutmeg, mix a bit, and your ricotta cheese and your Parmigiano. Perfect. At this point, guys, you set your oven for 370 and you wait until it's pretty hot. Then you put your parchment paper and then you create little polpette. See, guys, I think they're ready. Okay, you know I have to try it, even if I'm gonna burn my tongue. I like it. We made it, guys. Look at those. I hope this is gonna be a good way for you to enjoy your vegetables. I'm gonna see you next time. Salute! Now we are... At this point, you put your oven on bake for about No. Okay, now we add no, I can't, because it's like now we add